Okay. Okay. Next. Okay. Let's say if you are writing some code. Okay. Now let's say our requirement is. I will explain you what is our requirement. I, let's take two numbers like int x and int y, and let's say x is 50 and y is 0, and z is x by y. So what is the value of the z? Tell me. First tell me how to write the code. Say for example, I am adding one more class. How to add the class? Add class. I am giving this is the class name I am giving, exception handling. Okay. Got it? So now here, this is the class. We need to write a method. Okay. First, to run the code, it should be an unit test case, right? Framework. Now, test. This is how we will write the unit test cases also. Public void divide number something. That is our method. So now what is our requirement? Take two numbers, declare two numbers, and declare the third one also. Third one is first one divided by second one. Second one. Can you tell me how to write the code? Everything is integers. Rekha, how to write the code?
Yeah, Nangaru.
To declare integer variable.
Declare integer variable. Like if x equal to
X equal to
something, any integer, right? 0 or 1. So
I'm taking 10.
we are declaring, yeah, any variable.
This will work like this. What is the data type?
Int.
Yeah, that you need to say, right? Int x.
Yeah, I told like int
Okay.
x.
Now next one is int y equal to 0. 0. Now int z equal to x divided by y. What is the z value? Tell me now. Control dot write line. I am doing control dot.
Z value is infinite.
Control dot.
0.
Value is or result is. Yeah, tell me. What is the z value now? 10 divided.
Is it 10 divided by 0? It will be like a infinite.
Infinite. Okay.
Or it will be 0.
Yeah, but here in C sharp, we will get the error. We'll get the divide.
Okay.
We'll see what. Okay, what will happen. Okay, now how to run this test case? Now tell me where this test case will be there in the test explorer. What
like exceptional handling. We'll go to,
go to
C# learning. Yeah.
exception handling.
Mm-hmm.
This is the class name. How many test cases are there?
One.
What is the test case? Divide number.
Divide numbers.
Now I am running.
Mm-hmm.
It failed. Why it failed? Okay, I know. Alright, where is this? Yeah. See what is
Because
that?
error attempted to divide it by 0.
Attempted to divide it by 0. That's the issue.
0.
Which line? Error. So if you click that.
Line number 16.
Yeah, click on that. See, it will take you to the 16. Got it? Now, let me change this. This doesn't look good. Okay, I kept this here. Okay, now it
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Line, click on this. What is this line? In this line, we are getting that. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how to handle this one? Now, test case is failing, right? If any error is there, test case is failing. Now, in C sharp, it supports structured exception handling. So here we got the exception, right? So what exception we got? Divided by 0 exception. What is the parent for that system? System dot divided by 0 exception. Okay?
Zero exception.
Here,
Mm-hmm.
if you guess, there might be some error in this one. So try, okay? Try block. All this code you are moving into the try block.
Try.
Try, okay? So here
Mm-hmm.
every try block will have catch block, catch. So we are catching the exception. If there is anything, any exception in the try block, it will come to the catch. So,
Mm-hmm.
so exception, we are mentioning exception, the object is EX. So exception
Okay.
is the parent class for all kind of exceptions. Actually, here we are getting divided by 0 exception, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, here we are writing control dot write line exception dot toString.
ToString.
Dot this object has some properties and methods, right? Message is a property. For property, we don't need to keep the brackets, right? It's a property like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let's put a breakpoint here. Let's debug. We will see what will happen. So if there is any exception, any line of code here in the try block, it will come to the catch block. Correct? So now,
Mm-hmm.
if you go here, now debug, see in this line, F10 I am doing. See where it is going? Exception. Right now F10. See it's going inside that catch block. Now it's printing message. What is the exception message? Attempted to divide by 0.
Zero.
Attempted to divided by 0.
Already we are getting that same message without doing
Yeah, we are
catch.
printing. Yes, yes. We are printing the exception message because now test case won't be failed. It is passed, but
Okay, okay.
printing, we are handling that exception in the
Okay.
catching that exception, right?
Mm-hmm.
Exception message. Same way, there
Oh,
is one more property called stack trace.
yeah, it's automatically coming.
Okay, ex
Mm-hmm.
stack trace. So exception dot message, it will print only the exception message. But this one, it will print in which project, in which class, which method, in which case, in which line. It will print. Okay. Now let's run this one again.
Stack trace.
See, second one, you see.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
C colon users. This is the path of the project. C colon users, user
Mm-hmm.
source repos, and your project name. Under that, yeah, solution project. Under that, class name. What is the class?
Okay.
Exception handling dot
Mm-hmm.
in line number 18, where you are getting the error, line number 18. Understand? Stack trace will give all the solution name, project name, class name, right? Clear? And
Hmm.
your test case name also. Correct? Okay. Divide by 0 at this one. You understand the difference between message and stack trace?
Mm-hmm.
Now, exception is parent for all the exception, all kind of exception. Let's see, you can separately, you can have any number of catch blocks for one try because to handle different kind of errors. Let's say divide by system dot exception dot not coming, right? So let's Google it. Sure. Where is catch block? So this belongs to system namespace, right?
Mm-hmm.
To namespace system. So public class divided by 0, okay, or arithmetic exception. We will see parent class is arithmetic exception. So system dot no. Do we have system here? Yeah. Arithmetic exception is not there. Yeah, this one. You see catch block, we are having divided by 0 exception. Same thing we are trying, but it's not showing, right? Divided by 0 exception. Yeah, it's there. 0 exception. Give some object for that. I'm giving dbz, something like that. Okay. Now, same thing you can do. When it catches this one, let's say. So now one try block,
DBZ, what is
that is
mean?
our name, we are giving object name.
Okay, okay.
dbz dot message. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I gave this name. Anything you can. Okay. So now how many
Mm-hmm.
catch blocks we have? One try block can have
Mm-hmm.
many catch
And
blocks.
okay, we can have any catch. I mean, like
Any
how
catch
many
block.
one?
This catch block is capturing if this code gets divided by 0 exception.
Mm-hmm.
This catch block is capturing
Mm-hmm.
any kind of exception because this is the parent for all kinds of exception. For
Okay.
compiler, it will check this catch block. Okay. Now,
Mm-hmm.
run the test case. Okay. Now I am doing F10. See, it's going to catch block. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We got divided by 0. Now, see which catch block it will go. If it is matching that error, it is going inside. Then it won't go to any other catch blocks. It will come out of that code. At a time, only
Okay.
block will be true. Understand?
Okay.
Okay. If this is not there, it will go here. Exception. But what will happen if you keep this one here at the beginning? This is a parent for all the exception, right?
Mm-hmm.
This will catch, right? This should catch, right? But see,
Mm-hmm.
getting compile time error. Why? This should not be at the top.
Why?
Catch block class already catches all exceptions of. This is a super class for all this.
Okay.
So this has to be at the end. Correct? This has to be at the end. Clear? Okay. Like this, any kind of exceptions we can have. Like let's say initially you are having some other error. What are all the errors? Divide by 0 error and exceptions. See, runtime binder exception. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Arithmetic exception. Okay. Now it's complaining. Why? Previous catch block catches all exceptions of this type, arithmetic exception. Okay, any kind of arithmetic exceptions it will catch. So it's not allowing. Okay, let's take some other exception type.
I mean, like it won't allow for 0.
No. What I mean to say,
Mm-hmm.
this arithmetic exception, it catches all
Mm-hmm.
divide by zeros and all kind of anything related to maths errors.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason it's not allowing. It already catches
Oh,
and it is
yeah.
the super class for this one. So we don't need to have this one.
Yeah. I got it.
Something else you can have. Or something else you can have. Divide
Okay.
by zero exception. No such element found. This is selenium exception. What are all the other exceptions we have? We need to know. So C sharp exception classes.
Class.
First hierarchy. See argument exception, divide by zero exception. Okay. Let's say
Mm-hmm.
taking argument exception. This won't catch that, right? Argument exception.
Okay.
Some arg exception. Now if you debug, let's put a breakpoint here. Now we will see which catch block it will come. Okay. Put
Yeah.
breakpoints. First one is argument exception, next one is divide by zero, next one is exception. Okay. Now,
It will come to divide by 0.
yeah, we will see. That means it has to skip this one, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
F10 I am doing.
F11.
See,
Mm-hmm.
it's not this time. It's going to divide by zero exception.
Yes.
It will come out. So you can have any number of catch blocks for one try block. Got it?
Okay.
There is one more thing, try catch and finally.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What this finally block will do, okay, at the end, anything, whether you have error or not, this code will be executed. Okay. If you want to perform anything, whether you have the error or not, you can write that code inside the final loop. Always this code will be executed. Now we are
Okay.
error, right? I am just writing, I am finally block some. Okay. Now see what happened. Run. See the output. See, even though we have the error, see, basically it's catching this one.
Yeah.
Okay. This line is coming from this one. Line number 27.
27.
It's coming to final block. I am final block. Right? Always.
Okay.
You understand now? Like
Mm-hmm.
exception handling, how to handle exception. Again, within the catch, again you can have try catch. That is called nested.
But we have to know what exceptions we have, like argument,
Yeah,
divide by.
yes. You have to know. You have to know.
Yeah.
Okay. But if
Mm-hmm.
you know, you just keep the exception. It will keep
Okay.
everything. Any kind of exception. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever the code you guess, like if you're guessing any error might come, that
Mm-hmm.
fit in the try.
Only I mean, like we have to try it with int or anything is fine with like try catch, like any variables,
No, any code, whatever,
any data types.
if you guess any error might come, you keep it in the try block.
No. Like only we have to use like data types like int, or we can use like
No.
string.
Any C sharp code. This is just a sample. Any
Okay.
C sharp code, whatever you are writing, you keep it inside the try block. If any
Okay.
is there in that code, it will go to the catch block.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is about exception handling, structured exception handling. Any questions, Mahesh, Anju? You understand
No.
questions? Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Again, within the catch block, Again, you can have
Mhm.
try block, and again
Oh,
catch block. Understand?
within the catch, we can have try
Yeah.
and catch.
Yeah. Yes. Suppose. Okay.
Mhm.
It suppose. Already error is there. If the error is there, again you are trying in different way. You can write the code in different way. Then you change code to, let's say this time, you change it to, let's say 5. Okay. Then you are
Mhm.
now again if there is any error, you can write. Still one more time error. If it is coming here, now again compiler is going here. Okay. Let's see. We'll run this code. What will happen? See, it came here. Now F10 I am. See, now again it's going to try block. Now, what is Z value? This time 2. Now here we are trying different code. Already we got error, but we are trying different code here. Now Z is,
Mhm.
now it won't go to this catch, right? Now it will come out and final block. Got it?
Mhm.
Z value is 2 and I have
2.
final block. Got it?
Mhm.
Yeah, this is how we do the exception handling. Any questions until this point?
No.
So you are comfortable with the data types, conditional statements, loops, collections, exception handling.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. Let me stop recording.